What up, YouTube? Just got back from the cities. Disney on Ice this weekend. Just trying to meet up with Michael. Arfolk 777. But got down there late on Friday. Or later than we wanted to, and he was already gone from work, so didn't meet up. Unfortunately, there'll be another time. We'll get amongst it and cause some havoc. Because I texted him a few times, so we're back and forth on Saturday to see if we can meet up at the Mall of America. For those who truly know me and my love for people, I was not in my happy place. Lots of shopping was done. Stuff I don't enjoy. So a reward is I got a few blasters here. I'll show those another time, probably tomorrow, but I'll do each blaster per video. Just because it's a lot easier. I can get some videos. So I got this. The Topps Value Box. Oh, 2012. Figured I bought some at, I think it was like the $19.99 price, or the $24.99. And, I figured for $12.99, take a shot, why not? Try doing this. If you have kids that like the Disney stuff, go to that Disney on Ice. I highly recommend it. Naomi at first was a bit apprehensive because again, it's I'll have some pictures on Facebook if you're my friends there, and if you're not, it's probably a reason why. It was fun. I mean, I wish they would have done some of the newer stuff, but for what they did, I enjoyed it. Tons of pictures. Empty. My refractor is mantle, which I'll just leave in there because that golden cold shit's all out anyway. But I gotta find a way to do this because this is just not working the way I planned it. We'll do it like this, center on the box. That it's fun. Wish I did more of the old, not old stuff, but the stuff that I know. Desmond Jennings, Nick Hagedorn, Placido Polanco, Jeremy Guthrie, Verlander, Sabathia, Weaver with the foils, pretty ratchet on that. Babe Ruth insert, Golden Giveaway, which who cares? Alcides Escobar. So that was fun. The roads in the cities are brutal. I mean, there's ice all over the place. Otherwise, I mean, the way down it was good. The way back it was good, but another Rivera Santana Hernandez. But again, the foil on it's just wretched. Will Venable, Daniel Bard, Doug Fister, same here. Levon, Oswalt, Randy Wolf, Jay Bruce, Mini 87, Luis Aparicio, Stylen Castro if you need that. Jason, let me know. And Gita. So yeah, it's fun. I enjoyed it. Naomi, after a while, loved it. I mean, she was just really getting into it. Adron Chambers, Pablo Sandoval, Tim Fedorovich, Chris Coughlin, who wasn't with the Marlins anymore, I recently found. Mark Teixeira, Sparkle of Niger Morgan, with the Hebrew Hammer back there, Ryan Braun. Chipper Jones, insert. If you need that matte, partly cloudy, let me know. Michael Pineda. Oh, like I said, Mall of America, just a gong show. Gong show. Way too many people. Way too many. Wade Davis. Eric Bedard. Lincecum Carpenter Oswalt. Chris Schwinden. Jason Hamill. Joey Bats Don. Julio Teheran, Gold Futures, Alex Avila. And then today got going about a little after 10. Stopped at Perkins and did shopping. Couldn't find my, it was a 12 disc of the Monday Night Raw, the best 20 episodes. I looked everywhere. I saw it once before Christmas. I should have got it and I didn't. Rayburn, Canerco, Pujols, Vladdy Pimp Daddy, and Helton. Joey Bats to Don, Granderson, Teixeira. JP Arencibia, who I think's in Texas this year. Joe Saunders, don't even know if he's playing. Koufax, insert, and then Sergio Santos. His fall from Greece was pretty big. Supposed to be the close of the future up in Toronto, and now he's sort of just sputtering about. We got the two packs of these Heritage, so we'll see what's in there. I'll have to look up variations too, because I know some photo variations. Victor Martinez, John Pierre, Drew Storen, Pride of the NL, Dan Ugla, I don't know about that, and Chipper, Wade Davis again. Reds team card, a mini of sticker, the sticker card of Matt Moore. Cardinals championship, Mike Melanson. Watching the Oscars right now. It's on mute. Some black dude is saying some jive. Robbie Cano, don't you know? Michael Brantley. Scott Baker, another guy that fell down the toilet. Santiago Casilla. Nate Eovaldi, hoping for big things with the Fish this year. Placido Polanco. Verlander and Juan Marichal. Insert. Steve Delabar. John Buck. So there's video one. I'll come back with the Platinum next. Okay, YouTube. Take her easy. She's easy. Take her twice.